I want to show you real quickly how to use this velocity solver. So this allows you to tell the computer what the kinetic energy of an object is and what the mass of that object is, and it will automatically tell you what the velocity is. And it's really pretty straightforward. So I'll show you what it looks like using this first problem in today's assignment as an example. So it says a bowling pin has 45 joules of kinetic energy and a mass of 1.5 kilograms. So using the three steps, what you should already have done is identified that the kinetic energy is 45 joules, that the mass is 1.5 kilograms. And the equation you're going to use is this one right here. Velocity is equal to the square root of 2 times the kinetic energy divided by m. But this is where it gets a little tricky because some of you can do this kind of thing on a calculator or even by hand without any trouble at all. But some of you are like, what? I'm not going to do that. That doesn't make any sense to me. And so this is where the velocity solver comes in. So we can take these numbers, 45 joules and 1.5 kilograms, and put them into the solver, and then it just tells us what the answer is. It's 7.7 and then a bunch of numbers. You don't really need to write down all of these numbers. You could just do 7.7 or 7.75 meters per second, and that would be step 3 in the 3 steps. And when you're done with that problem, you can just delete this information, and then you can do the same thing for the other problems in today's assignment.